All right, trying for the home run spin. Wifey's putting in, turn the volume up, of course. 20 bucks. I think two $10 spins. All right, okay, let's go. Spin, yeah. What did that do? Why are they wiggling? Nice, one more spin. Cherry, your favorite. Okay. Yeah, try the big one. Does it go? It doesn't go? Oh, that's lame. All right. Fighting back. I'm getting much more than just two spins, that's for sure. I think she wants to put in a little bit more and try again. I like it. One more. Or, yep. Oh, I think you have to get 3 or something in a row. Wow. She's going hard. She's putting in 100 now. Okay. Ooh, almost. Oh, so we have to get those, yeah, all 3 of those. Oh, come on. Top, I think, right? Oh, you got it. Oh, you got it, nice. Okay, so what do we have to do now? Collect Jeopardy is when the winners 3. Okay. All right. We got the gist of it. What was that? Come on. Oh, you got 5 spins though. That's good from that. So what is this? Come on. Oh, nice. I don't know what the hell that means, but cool. 3 board prices. Land on the grand, please. 5. Okay, what does this mean? Okay. Grand, 15. Okay. That's cool. You get 5 picks. 10. All right, we need a little bit bigger. Okay. Advancing to double Jeopardy, okay. Oh wow, they're all a lot bigger. Line them up. Come on. Oh, you got more spin, that's good. Daily double. 2x, okay, that's good. Let's do that grand. Oh. Yeah. Almost got the triple diamonds in there. Okay, I think you got more spins, right? Yeah, 5 now, nice. 20 bucks. Double diamond, double diamond, double diamond. I forget the cherries don't matter because you're already in free spins. Okay, I think that's it. Take your current win or play Final Jeopardy. Oh wow. What does Final Jeopardy do? What do you want to do? You want to take it? I don't know what Final Jeopardy does. That's probably smarter. I'm really curious about what that does.
$95 bet or something.
Yeah. Nice.